This is what the new medium-range multifunctional Ka-62 helicopter will look like. This exact model is a life-size copy and has for this first time been exhibited at Healy, Russia 2012. The helicopter has been projected and will be produced by Vertolyoty России company, which is a unified industrial company of Oboronprom. The Russian industry has so far not constructed helicopters of this quality. We are attempting to make this a next-generation machine. As you can see, it has a superb design, both the external and the interior design of the cabin. The materials that we use to construct it are of the same high quality as those used in Europe for aerial craft in Europe. The rotors contain 60% polymer composite materials, and the Ka-26 has been built according to the same plan with a multi-blade rudder rotor in a circular channel with vertical tail feathering. In other words, this difficult phrase means, in this case, the design of the blade ventilator is the so-called circular blade. The rotor is closed from two sides with a shroud, as you can see, and corresponds with the body of the rudder, and naturally, it makes it practically impossible for foreign objects to hit it. The new helicopter has two engines produced by France's Turbomeca company and has 1,680 horsepower. They have been chosen not just because they are easy to control and are very highly reliable, they also have a low fuel ratio. We believe we can reduce the amount of fuel by 10 or even 15% in comparison with our closest competitors that are on the market today. This helicopter has a glass cabin, and the landing gear is placed in an interesting spot. When an emergency landing is inevitable, the helicopter lands and goes like this. It lands on two wheels and continues to roll. If there's a wheel in front, then as you understand, then oversteering and the loss of stability occurs. Shock-absorbing seats for the crew and passengers. Here, for example, the seats that we see can allow 15 passengers to sit extremely comfortable in the comfy, energy-absorbing seats. In case of an emergency situation, they can protect passengers from injury. There is also an air conditioning system in the cabin and individual lighting. This all has the goal of giving the highest level of safety and comfort. This machine is an attempt to create a helicopter with the highest level of safety. In accordance with this presentation, the Ka-62 is designed for passengers, medical ambulatory use, aerial surveillance, as well as corporate needs. It will be used in the gas and oil industry, for search and rescue missions, and for transporting cargo.